polymath, and behavior is my thing. So I'm here to help with managing and intervening around behavior so we can get back to having fun doing school and teaching. So today I'm going to answer a question coming out of a middle school. I'm a middle school teacher and I'm a little fed up. How do I get my students to treat me and each other with respect? Woo, that loaded word respect again. We hear it over and over and over, and it's big. And disrespect is a problem. But here's the bigger issue. We've got to think about how we define respect at a middle school age. What does it look like, sound like, and feel like? It's not just being nice. It's about understanding how you learn to admire something that other people might admire. It's about learning how your comments, your actions impact another person's feelings and how they might react to that. It's about that awareness. The only way you're going to have that awareness is if it's purposely taught. The only way it can be purposely taught is if we sit together as a school and say, this is what respect is in our building. And when kids violate that, logical consequences are helping them to learn how to be respectful in this building, because that's what we have control over. So we can't put our own background around respect into it, and this is where it gets tough. Because we sometimes get clouded by that blind obedience that some of us were raised in. I know I certainly was raised there. And we know that that's not really a good thing for all kids, and people have been hurt by that. So we have to sit down together and say, if kids were to demonstrate respect and treat me and others with respect, what would we be doing in response to their disrespect differently? And how would we be purposely teaching them what that means in this building so they begin to own it? And it becomes part of, this is just the way we do school around respect. Super important stuff. Sit down, think about it. What makes sense? But keep kind of your own background as what you think is respect that's been ingrained into you, because that's going to be more and more difficult for us. So this is a tough one. Guys. So just give that some thought and think about what would it look like in the way that we do school. Thanks for watching today. And if you have questions that you might like to see answered in future videos, put those in the comments below.